suppose there were only 15 houses for sale, or like the actual for sale listing prices. Percent really doesn't make a whole lot of sense then, because what does percent mean?
Per 100.
Per 100. You really have to have 100 for it to be meaningful, or at least close to 100. So just caution, be careful with that, I guess is what we're talking about. Is that fair?
Okay.
Alright, good. Alright, now, we now have three measures: mode, median, average. Do you always use all three?
No.
You use one, not the other. You use two, not the third. So how do you decide? Give me some thoughts. You got all these ideas. How do you decide which one to use? What do you think? What do you think? Or conversely, could you ever think of when you shouldn't use one? What do you think, G-Man?
Does it matter on what type of center you're trying to find? Like, if you want specifically how often this one occurs, you would need to use mode.
Oh, okay. That's good, application-wise. I like that. So it depends on the application. Like if you're actually looking for the majority, then use the mode, because that actually measures the majority. Cool. Awesome. I hadn't thought about that answer before. Well done. What do you think, Sean? And then we hear from Richard. Absolutely. Sean?
Well, it depends on what you're trying to get from your data.
Okay. Give me the specifics if you can. Or say, no, I don't want to give you specifics.
Well, if you're trying to find the center point of your data,
Okay.
you should use the median, not the average.
So when you say center, you mean like literally if you stack the data left to right in increasing order with no regard for how far apart the data points are.
Yes.
Absolutely makes sense to me. I love that. Yeah. First, what do you think?
I was thinking, like, it wouldn't be beneficial to know the average if there are, like, outliers that really affect where the average
Everything I'm
is.
hearing right now, I'm so enamored with. I'm gonna turn the question around. Is that okay? Here's a data set. This is a data set I pulled from a sample of a study that was measuring bad cholesterol, LDL, low density lipid. I know. It's like, Jesus Christ, is still talking. Now, I don't want to calculate these measures.
How do you get bad cholesterol? I don't really know what that is.
Well, there's genetic reasons, there's dietary reasons, there's exercise or lack of exercise reasons.
What's it do?
It can clog up your arteries in your vein, it can impede circulation. There's HDL, which is good cholesterol, right? High density lipids. Lipids, such a great word. It's literally fat in your blood, correct? Yeah.
You want fat?
Good fat.
Did you call me fat?
Yeah.
Did you want fat?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody just said you do, right? The
Good fat.
HDL, you want good fats. That's why one of my favorite measures of cholesterol is the HDL-LDL ratio. They actually do the ratio of the two numbers, and you want that to be high. It's turned into a bio class. Fun, nutrition, dual credit. Guys, see Excel, nutrition, and stats. Like 12 credits for this class. You walk out of here today. But let's just say, can you read these numbers? This projector is kind of crappy. This just says below 3.25, and I forget what the measurement for cholesterol is, but I know the bigger the number, the worse it is. 3.25 to 3.75 and so forth, so they're each about 0.5 wide. If I asked you, of this sample of 100 guys, what was the modal cholesterol number? What would you tell me?
5.
I heard 5 from two different people. It's 5. And how did y'all pick 5? Because it's in the middle. Well, if it's the mode, it's the what?
It's the middle
highest
of
bar,
the
right?
largest.
The highest bar, right,
the-
the highest bar is
Yeah.
where the mode is. And since we don't actually know the raw data, we just pick the number in the middle of that range. That's 5. Love it. Beautiful. What would the median be? And Bonnie, I'm not gonna actually go back up here again, because I think we can do this kind of conversationally, can't we?
It's the same.
It's probably 5, isn't it? Because if you chop, those would knock off that. These would just about knock off each other. And these would just about knock off each other, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
So you'd be symmetrically removing the outsides and you'd be left with this one, which would be
Yeah, it's
5. So that's about the same, isn't it?
pretty close.
Pretty damn close. Even with the bias corrections, I think it's gonna be pretty close to 5, kind of like Wordle. Now here's one, there is a cool non-mathematical way to find an average. Imagine that's a tray of cookies on a tray, and you want to balance it on your finger. Okay. So that's a tray of cookies, stacked just like this. There's a couple, bunch, the most. Where would you have to put your finger to balance that tray of cookies?
Middle.
Here?
No.
It's gonna collapse, right?
Middle.
I'm gonna keep going, you tell me where to stop.
Keep going.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay, I heard all the stops in this range. I agree with you. You balanced the weight, didn't you? And that's what the average is, right? You balance the weight. You share it out. So if you share it out, putting your finger here is like taking some of these and putting them here, taking some of these and putting them here, taking some of these, and eventually you spread them out into a rectangle that balances. So really, the average of this is about 5, the median is about 5, and the mode's about 5. So, the kind of newish word, when you see data that looks like this, it's called symmetric. What does that mean?
Equal.
Symmetric. Tell me what this.
It's like if you fold it in half, it's.
Oh, dude. I love that. I love that. You could take this and fold it. Oh, it's a mirror image of itself. Yeah, if you hold a mirror up to the middle, it would reflect. Oh, that's good. Don't let me do that. You love that. Unimodal. Does that make sense? Unimodal.
Single mode.
Single mode. Yeah. You can have bimodal or trimodal data, but if it's symmetric and unimodal, pick whatever one's the easiest to find. They're all gonna be about the same anyway. Is that believable? Is that fair?
Yeah.
Cool? Yeah? Okay, good. Now, here was the Wordle data that we played with in class last time. Would you describe that as symmetric and unimodal? Shoot from the gut. It's not. Nothing's going to be perfect in this class. Real world data is never perfect. Forget parabolas. Everyone, exactly. You're all laughing, right? Because parabola is perfect. Nothing is perfect in this class. Does that basically look symmetric and unimodal? It does. Yes, it's a little heavier on this side than that side. And we saw that in the calculations. Do you remember? You don't, but I do. On Tuesday, the average was 4.1, the median was 4, and the mode was 4. So the average was a touch to the right of the median and the mode. But they're all about 4, right? Awesome. These are my global results over time. What? Thumbs down! Oh, you're not judging my results, you're saying it's not symmetric unimodal.
Yeah.
Or here's my results.
I was gonna
I'll keep you out of this class. You do them both. What? Don't judge me just because it took me 35 countries to figure out that it was. What the hell was that country today? Anybody play Global today? What the hell was that country? It's the one that sits in Brunei.
Yeah,
B-R-U-N-E-I. Brunei, is that what it says?
I don't know.
It sits in
I was-
Indonesia.
Yeah, I was so confused when it said it bordered Malaysia.
Well, I know, it's like, it's adjacent to the answer. I'm like, there's nothing in there except water. No, Brunei is in there. Shit, I
Can't
did that
even
3
see
times.
it.
Anyway, now I'm pissed. No, I'm kidding. You would not describe this as symmetric. You could describe it as unimodal, I guess, if you want, right? I mean, it technically has one mode, usually, or most of the time it takes me 8 guesses. Okay, sometimes I get lucky. I always start with Italy, and sometimes it's Italy. So, sometimes I get lucky. But this literally looks like that Dimetrodon dinosaur, doesn't it? Literally looks like that. Yeah. So, we know the modes. We know the mode is 8. Yeah. Where's the median? Do you think? I don't expect you to calculate, but where do you think the median is?
10
Maybe a little bit to the right of the 8. Maybe like here.
Yeah.
Like,
probably.
I like that. If it's modes here, median's gonna be a little bit this way. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then where's the average going to be? Let's balance this tray of cookies.
Closer to 10.
Probably there.
Just give me a stop, and I'm going to do like blood pressure, where I hear the first and last guesses. Is that okay?
Stop.
Stop.
Okay, so that's what y'all guessed. So if I
Yeah.
take the median of your guesses, and that makes sense to me.
Yeah.
The mode's going to be furthest left, the median's going to be then the average.
Yeah.
So you've got distinctions now between them, yeah?
Yes.
And because of that, you want to be careful. When you have skewed data, the mean generally heads towards the skew and not towards the, what did you call it? Kirsten, you called it something like, when you went like this, you named that something. The bulk of the data, that's what you said, yeah, the bulk. The mean of, it gets away from the bulk of the data. It starts heading towards what you also correctly term the outliers. Like, yeah, Drew, I suck at global sometimes. But it's rare that I suck that badly. But those outliers do jump out at you, don't they? Like, holy shit, it took me 35 guesses. I'm like, dude, there's 200 countries, I still did better than that. But yeah, your eyes are drawn to those, aren't they? Your eyes are like the average. They have ADD for the outliers. The median and the mode tend to target the bulk of the data better. So just be aware of skew, be aware of it. A lot of things in statistics are bell-shaped. A lot of things are bell-shaped, but not everything. Do you know why global scores are generally highly skewed and Wordle scores aren't? There's a very simple reason, mathematical reason. You know why it is, Sean?
Because there's a hard limit on the number of, on the value that you could
On
get.
Wordle.
Yeah.
Wordle, you get kicked out after 6.
Mm-hmm.
There's a limit. Global, well, I guess there's a hard limit on global too. 204, I believe, is the number of countries on Earth. So there is a hard limit. It's just that I don't ever have to guess them all. Oh, damn it, it's the U.S. So, all right. We never did a warm-up today. Apologies. I wasn't sure how long this was going to take. I'm glad it took as long as it did. That makes me damn happy. Makes me damn happy. But here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you all 5 points for warm-up because you were here and you contributed beautifully to this class. So do me a huge favor. Just sit tight with me for a second. That's how it is. I have to type all your names. Or no, I'm going to say all your names. I'm going to type all your names. Okay. All right, give me a sec. Where are my glasses? Where do I put them down? Come here, you bastard. All right, let me go around the room. I want to go around the room and get all the names. Chelsea's here. Chelsea. Natalia is here. Ashley is here. E-E or E-Y, Ashley? E-E, thank you. Drew is here. Sadie is here. Alex is here. Libby is here. Bonnie is here. I still haven't figured out how to turn the B sideways so it can go. Oh, you can't see Maristine. Maristine. God damn it, I want to get it right consistently. Maristine is here. No, not Stein. Kirsten is here. G-Man is here. Sean is here. Dormrock. Yes. Is here. Jen is here. Come back around. Ellie is here. And Tegan is here. Right?
Yeah.
Tegan is here. Give you all 5 points for a warm-up, even though we didn't do one. I'll bring a warm-up for Tuesday for us to do. It's about Bert and Ernie. I think you'll enjoy it. That was a lot of information today. Y'all troopers, I appreciate you all. Have yourself a brilliant weekend, yes? Stick around if you have questions.
This computer is for you.
Well, I'll get back to school, but yes, I appreciate you too.
Yeah.
Even though you made fun of my global results, damn it! Nah, take care of yourself, brother. Be well.
See ya.
Stay healthy. Stay safe. Computer lab. Yes, thank you, Tegan.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, friends. Bye, Natalia. Take care of yourself. Be well, everybody. Rock on, rock on.
Do you want one of these?
What is that? What? Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
I just like to enjoy it.
I'm glad you did it to him at the end of class and help him get
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Actually, enjoy it.
Oh, shit, dude.
You're like this
I'll see you there. See you in an hour.
This is a minor thing, but I kept.
You should just stop that. That wasn't
Okay.
I
I kept
you got, friend?
for you for the sum of these divided by the sum of this.
Interesting. May I?
Yeah.
Thank you. No, you're good. You're good. This is a beautiful Macintosh. This is so rad. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna do the sum of these,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna copy that over to this column here. Oh yeah, that is different than what we got. How? Why is that different than what Cause we had like 50. Yeah, let me, actually, let's come over here.
Yeah.
Let's put it side by side with the one I have up here.
Is that the total?
Yeah.
Because I know some of the data up there, there's like, thirds and stuff.
Yeah.
I think, let's see, cause what's the difference between the two?
I came up with
840, which is, that's a lot different than ours.
Yeah.
So then if we just go right on here. I want you to try sheet over here. Average equals that, which is the 840. Okay, so now let's find the difference. So what the hell is going on? 2268, yep. 10188, yep. 1084, 1319, which is close to your 1320. Oh! Oh, wait a minute. What's going on here? Oh shit, I see what happened, dude. You put an, you put an extra category of 613 between 1320 and 1555.
Gotcha.
We can fix that, we can fix that. We can take, I think we just take this whole row out and then we readjust the frequencies. Can I double finger click to delete? Oh, just delete. That'll work. And then we just have to change 361211. This is a 4. That is a 3. This is a 0. This is a 2. This is a 0. So what are we missing now? We have 9 here. 613, 849, 1084, 1320, 1555, 1791, 2026, 2262. Let's just put it here. 2262. That one actually has a 2. That's gonna be careful. 2026 has none. 2497 has none. And this one has a 2.
Okay.
And look at that. Now it's
Okay.
all good.
Okay.
Just a data point that was off.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
I was like, kept trying to.
I know, what the hell's going on? Nah, and that's the thing about stats, is it's just a matter of going in and just poking around and saying, yep.
Cool.
That's fun.
Thank you, yeah.
Problem solving. It's a good time. Friends, Bonnie.
I mean, that's not really too important.
Okay.
Can I like send you some data?
Yes. Yes, of course.
Because I had the idea of there's a game I've been thinking of playing again where it basically works off of encounters and
If we,
like you do like a fight with something.
Oh,
and
got
then,
it.
Like you go in,
I see.
you're out, and then you
Gotcha,
back in.
gotcha.
And forth. But each encounter, the characters you're fighting has like an amount of times that they can like do certain attacks,
got it.
and like the amount they actually do it is random because sometimes like you'll get into
It's like Pokemon Go with my son plays Pokemon. Sometimes he can catch him with 1 ball, sometimes it takes like 12 balls.
something
Something
like
like
that.
that, yeah, like the effort going into the encounter or something like that.
Something it's vaguely like
Vaguely
that,
like
but
that,
like
yeah, okay, I'm with you.
yeah,
Yeah, dude.
send you something like
Send me the data, and if you can wait till November 12th to analyze it, that's when water polo season is over, and I'll have a lot more free time.
that.
Because until between now and November 12th, I haven't slept in 3 months. I'm not gonna sleep for another month and a half. I drink a lot of coffee. This is why sometimes it appears that I'm drunk in class, because I basically am on no sleep.
Yeah, fair. Yeah.
But I'd love to, that'd be fun. And I'm also thinking there's conditional probabilities probably buried in there,
Yeah, probably.
like what if this, does it impact this? How about this, does it
Yeah,
impact that? That's the kind of
Because
stuff, yeah.
different characters have like different limits. Like one of them, normally like for like one of the attacks, there's a limit of 4 before
Yep.
it does like the real one that
Yep.
is the encounter. And then there's one that just has 8.
8, yeah, exactly. So then you can, then we can cross-reference them by that and see if that has any effect. Oh yeah, dude, this will be fun. November 12th, baby, I'm already excited. Rock on, Bonnie. Chelsea, I just saw your emails in my inbox when I opened it up to send myself
From
a note.
today?
No, you sent me one, I don't know when you
Monday or
sent it. Was
Tuesday.
it from Tuesday?
Yeah, the jury duty.
Good Lord, dude, I am so sorry. I didn't even see it till right
That's
now.
okay.
So, tell me, you had jury duty? Oh God, that is the worst.
I got really lucky. I thought I was gonna go to jail
Oh my God.
because I didn't
Because
respond
you didn't
like the 5 days before.
My friend Lily had the exact same thing happen to her.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. And so I got all that fixed, but I couldn't come to class on
I
Tuesday.
got you. It's all
And
good.
then,
We
so
do it Tuesday.
So anyway, I really don't wanna get behind,
No, I got you, dude. So,
but I feel
if,
really behind.
I know, but effectively what we did today
Okay,
was a continuation of Tuesday.
Okay.
So we analyzed the 5-game spreadsheet that's in Canvas.
okay,
We learned how to do a median. I can share this video that we did. I recorded this for one of your classmates.
Yeah.
I can share that with you. I wasn't able to record Tuesday because I didn't realize that I should have recorded Tuesday.
Oh.
I didn't get poor Andrew's email until after I got back to my office that day.
gotcha. You'll have another email from today, cause I
Oh,
didn't
good.
wanna interrupt class, and so I went to the tutoring center, and they were like, no, you
You
gotta
can
go up
always
there.
come interrupt class. Trust me,
I
I
just
literally
feel
have,
rude,
there's
you know?
no, dude, for the East Coast,
Ooh.
I can handle anything.
Okay,
East Coaster. And
So
you're never,
that's-
and
that's
having
so
you
good.
show up to class is never an interruption.
okay,
It's a celebration.
Thank
Just so
you.
Any student walking into
that's
class
so nice.
means you chose to be here with me today. And that's, that to me, that's a brilliant thing. Now, what I can do, you know what I can do, Charles? Even though it's a little bit dated, I'm gonna send you the online, they're about a year old, but I'm gonna send you the online videos that I made
Okay,
for my old 243 class, which I think is enough to get you caught back up.
okay, that'd be great, so
Yep.
I need to just catch up on videos and stuff, and,
I think that's gonna get you caught up to where we are today.
okay,
And then
that'd
we'll
be
hit the
great.
ground running on Tuesday. So I'm gonna sit-
That'd be great, cause I do recognize some of it
Yep.
from before, when I took your online
Yep,
class.
yep.
The,
So
like,
we're gonna do math 243 center videos to Chelsea.
thank you.
There we go. Not Chelsea. There we go.
Hey.
There we go. Yeah, we'll get that to you, and that way you just watch that get caught up, and then you'll be ready for Tuesday.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yes, thank you so much.
friend.
I feel a million times better.
Good. You should, and
I don't want
never
to-
worry about coming late, dude. Ever.
Okay.
Please, just
Okay,
show up.
cause some people feel it's really rude and I don't wanna like insult.
Dude, I am so chill when it comes to that. And like I said, you're choosing to be here, right? This is you said, you know what? I don't have to be here because I'm late, but I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna, you're making the effort. Come in.
Okay,
Come in. I'm here for y'all.
okay, thank you so
All right. Have a
much.
good rest of your day, Chelsea.
Thank you, you too.
All right. Andrew, I hope that helped, buddy. I hope the camera's still running. Jesus. I have it plugged in. Let's see. Looks like it's still running. Sweet. I'll get this uploaded for you ASAP.